Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a poll in Discord. Now you can simply use the Discord built-in poll feature. Now how do you do this? Navigate to the Discord text channel where you want to create the poll. Then locate and click the plus icon within the text box. Then choose the poll option from the menu. And then you enter your poll details, for example the question. Type the question for your poll, add up to 10 possible answers. Set how long the poll will be active, which could be an hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, or 1 week. Then publish your poll to the channel by clicking post. Now that's the first method, which is using Discord built-in poll feature. The second method is by using the Discord bots, e.g. simple poll. What you do is you go to the bots website, like I said, simple poll bots, and then you click invite and follow the instructions to add the bots to your Discord server. Next, use the bot commands in the text channel to create polls. Example, /poll your question option. You can see this example here, right here. It's an example, and then it continues all the way to this place. You can type this in, and when you do that, you'll be able to create a poll. Next, you can also use reactions. Simple yes or no polls. This is just for simple yes or no polls. Ask your question in the text channel. That is, type it in. And then add relevant emojis as reactions to your questions, e.g. a thumbs up for yes and a thumbs down for no. Then inform users to react with the corresponding emoji to cast their votes. Now, please remember, ensure your poll question is clear and concise and provide clear instructions on how to vote. This is very important. Also, encourage respectful and constructive participation in the poll. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you create effective polls with your Discord server. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.